Hey, what's up guys? Imran here, Monster Gadgets. I hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you might be. Thank you so much for joining me. And in today's video, I'm going to give you guys an update on my accident situation. So if you haven't checked out my previous video, I'll go ahead and card it here. I was involved in a accident while my car was parked at a garage. But go check out that video to get some more detail. But basically today is the day that I dropped my car off at the Tesla repair shop here in Illinois. And driving in, I didn't know what to expect. But when I got here, it kind of hurt, and I'll tell you why it kind of hurt. So let me show you all the cars that are here and why it's hurtful to see all these Teslas that have been damaged. So let me show you guys all the cars, and I'm gonna go in, get my paperwork situated, drop the car off, and I'll give you guys an update on my loaner as well. So stay tuned. So here's my car, and as you guys know, this is the area that's going to be worked on, basically the front bumper and the side panel, as well as the inside. They'll probably have to look at. So the initial estimate they gave me is about $1,900 for this repair. And we've got an airplane somewhere here. But anyways, the reason why this was hurtful to drive in is because you get to see all these Teslas that have been damaged for whatever reason, accident or whatever it might be. So ugh, look at that. Goodness, I can't even imagine. But I'm hoping all these people that have been involved in these accidents are okay. The cars are, of course, it's hurtful to see them, but I'm hoping everyone is okay. But here's what the repair shop is. Again, this is a Tesla repair shop, so I will be dropping it off here. But let me go ahead and go inside, get all the paperwork done, and then I'll update you guys. All right, guys, so I just got done with the paperwork, and there's my car right there. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it here. I did get a Chevy Equinox from Enterprise, so I'll be driving this for, I don't know, probably a week and a half, as long as Monster here gets fixed, my Tesla. So this will be what I'll be driving. And this warehouse, I couldn't record inside because they have a rule about no photos, no videos, but it's a massive warehouse, and they literally have bays set up next to each other, some with lifts and some just with toolboxes and things like that, which is pretty cool. I wish I could have shown you guys what's inside, but there's a ton of cars inside that's currently being worked on by the technicians. As I mentioned, there's a ton of cars you guys can see here that are waiting to be repaired or in the process of being repaired. So it's hard to say goodbye to Monster for the time being, or I'll actually see it because I don't like saying goodbyes. And I will give you guys a little bit more insight about my dealings with the guy who actually hit me. So there's more to that, but I will tell you guys as soon as I get home. But I gotta go ahead and hop in here, work my way home, because I've got some things I gotta work on, but I'll give you guys an update soon. All right guys, now that it's later in the day and I've gotten through my work day as I'm supposed to, let me go ahead and give you guys a little bit of a background on the guy who actually hit me. So basically what happened was he was giving me a hard time. So if you remember, I left a note for him on my windshield to give me a call, which he did. Fast forward, he agreed that he's gonna go ahead and talk to the insurance and take responsibility of the accident. And I went back and forth with him twice, as well as Allstate twice, because when I spoke with Allstate, they basically said they spoke to him and he denied any responsibility. Actually, he said he doesn't recall hitting my car. And so I had to basically push back and talk to Allstate and say, listen, I've got it on video. I'm more than happy to send it to you. He knows I have it on video because of the Sentry mode on my car. And finally, he owned up to it. And the funny thing was, the last conversation I had with him, I told him that I have it on video. And if he doesn't cooperate, I'm going to go ahead and go to, if he doesn't cooperate, I'm going to go ahead and go to Chicago Police and file a report, and it would be considered hit and run, which in the state of Illinois is considered a misdemeanor. So as I said that to him, I think it was his wife or his girlfriend or someone might have overheard the conversation, basically took the phone from him and said that they're gonna go ahead and cooperate. They're gonna go ahead and tell Allstate, which is my insurance provider, that they're gonna take full responsibility for it. So finally, after all that, he took responsibility of it. And so right now, as you guys saw in the video, I dropped my car off, and I've got this for the next, I don't know, they gave me an estimate for a week and a half. I'm hoping it's not gonna take that long, because it's a nice car, don't get me wrong, but number one, gas, right? We all know how we feel about gas. And secondly, it's weird. I'm not used to driving this type of a car. I do have an older SUV that I drive that I've had forever. I'm just comfortable driving it. but I want to have my car back. Every Tesla I see on the road now, I'm like, my car, I miss it, I want it back. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. As of right now, the initial estimate, if you're following me on Twitter, you know it's about $1,900, which their insurance is going to cover. I don't have to pay. I just got to pay the deductible, and then I have to file for that deductible to be reimbursed to me by his insurance, which is again also Allstate, so same insurance provider. It's kind of dumb because I got to pay my deductible, and then after the job is done, they're going to submit my deductible reimbursement to his insurance, which again is Allstate. So it doesn't make any sense, but I'm basically out of about $350 or $300, I'm sorry, until the job is done, and then I will have to get reimbursed for that. I am also paying for this rental, so that for the time that I have this car, I'm paying, I think it was $28 a day, which isn't too bad because Enterprise actually uses Allstate's discounts. So I'm paying about $28 a day for this car, which I'll also be reimbursed for once the job is done and the claim is finished. I can go ahead and submit for reimbursement, and they'll go ahead and reimburse me for that. So that is the latest and the greatest on my whole accident situation. If you are along for the ride, thank you so much for following me on this. As you guys know, I have not really uploaded a whole lot of videos in the last couple of weeks. I've been going through some family issues that are a bit personal that I'm not ready to share with you guys quite yet. But I'm taking some time to focus on myself as well as my day job. But getting through the family issues, it's just been quite taxing on me, and I've not been able to post. But because this car was going into the shop today, I wanted to make sure I keep you guys updated on that. And I'll be doing more videos moving forward. As you guys know, I've been doing it for a couple of years, but just kind of in a slump right now. If you have not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up. Keep me in your prayers, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.